Good evening, folks, and welcome back to Budget Scenery Workshop. Today is going to be another painting video, but I'm just going to do it all in double speed, save on time. If I've got anything interesting to say, I'll put it up on the screen, but I'll just give you the rundown of what colours I'm using and stuff. So yeah, this is the fireplace I'll be painting today, and this is what's going to go inside the Rohan house, Rohan style house, I should say. So I'm going to base, well, it's already been based in Mod Podge, but I'm going to base it in taupe, then dab on some fawn. Might just dry brush it as it's textured actually. Yeah, I'll texture it just to give it that stony look. And for the fire itself, I think I'm gonna first go white, then red, orange, then yellow. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today. And also, just to cover the front and give it a little bit of extra feature, I might cut out a slightly bigger size of this and just glue it to the front there like that. Yeah, and I'll see if I've got any bits in my bits box for decorating the mantelpiece or anything. Okay, so let's get started on that. Okay, so that's finished. All I need to do is just coat it with varnish to protect it. I decided not to do, not to make a grill at the front, just because really didn't really need it. And as far as looking for bits in my bits box, I decided to make a kind of coat of arms. So if you can see how the arrows on the shield, I suppose that could mean hunters. Yeah, you can, maybe if I turn up the light you can see a little light and a little different. There, that's better. Yeah, like I say, I'm not the best painter, but I just wanted to make a playlist where I actually finish off my bits and pieces. So yeah, I'm happy to say that that's finished. Then next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working on the actual Rohan style house itself and get that finished up. So that's what I'll be painting next. Okay, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell and you'll never miss a video. If you like this, please drop a like. If you've got a build request, just drop a comment. I'll add it to the pot. Once I have about 10, I'll do a picking, planning and shout out video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like the channel. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.